To integrate EveryDollar budgeting into your financial routine, start by understanding the basics of the system. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps you manage your income and expenses by allocating your money into different categories. The first step is to create an account on the EveryDollar website or download the mobile app. Once you have set up your account, link your bank accounts to the platform to track your expenses automatically. This will help you get a clear picture of where your money is going and make it easier to create a budget. Next, identify your income and expenses by categorizing them into needs, wants, and debt repayment. Assign 50 to 30% of your income to needs such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Allocate 10 to 20% to debt repayment and savings, and use the remaining amount for wants such as entertainment and hobbies. EveryDollar allows you to set up a budget that is tailored to your specific financial situation and goals. As you track your expenses, regularly review your budget to ensure you are on track to meet your financial goals. Make adjustments as needed to stay within your allocated amounts. It is also essential to prioritize needs over wants and make debt repayment a priority. To get the most out of EveryDollar, set up reminders and alerts to notify you when you go over budget in a particular category. You can also use the platform to set financial goals such as saving for a down payment on a house or paying off credit card debt. By following these steps and using EveryDollar consistently, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial stability. Remember to review and adjust your budget regularly to ensure you are on track to meet your long-term financial goals. With EveryDollar, you can create a budget that works for you and helps you achieve financial peace of mind.